Mattei from Matteirealty.ca. Who says Toronto isn't affordable? Imagine a one-bedroom plus den where the den is so large it could be used as a second bedroom. A unit that's spacious with a renovated kitchen and bathroom, features a parking, a locker, and a view that is absolutely unbelievable of the Toronto City skyline. All this for less than $500,000. Incredibly, this unit is now listed for that price. So please check out Matteirealty.ca, view this video, and call us to book an appointment right away. Thank you. Told you about the incredible views from this unit. The den, living room, and primary suite all have incredible views of Toronto City skyline right to the lake. They're so unobstructed. When you sit on this large private balcony, you can see some of the views that I'm talking about. Absolutely stunning.